color. Carry color.
Oh, say, can you see?
Born in Turkey and arrived here in the United States as an infant. Chief, raise your right hand and please repeat after me. Okay, yes. We're going to bring forward the Quran. And we'll have his family come forward, please. I state your name.
I, Ibrahim Michael Bekora,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully,
that I will faithfully,
impartially,
impartially,
and justly
and justly
perform all the duties
perform all the duties
of the office of
of the office of
Police Chief
Police Chief
for the City of Patterson
for the City of Patterson
for the term prescribed by law,
for the term prescribed by law,
according to the
State.
under the authority of the people.
under the authority of the people,
So help me God.
so help me God.
Congratulations, Chief. Would you like the week of the Chief?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Elhamdülillahi Rabbil alemin. Esselatu vesselamu ala Resulina Muhammedin ve ala alihi ve sahbihi ecma'in. Bizlere yaşamayı nasip eyle. Şu dünyayı hep birlikte güzel bir şekilde imar etmeyi bizlere nasip eyle. Ya Rabbi. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you.